Looking to upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank? These Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to save you time, money, and stress with every meal you make. From smart tools that simplify prep to powerful devices that speed up cooking, each pick brings real value to your everyday routine. Let's dive into the top gadgets people can't stop talking about. All links below. This magnetic stainless steel measuring cup set stacks neatly together, giving any kitchen an instant space-saving upgrade, while keeping tools easy to grab and organized. Built with thick rust-resistant stainless steel, each cup is designed to last a lifetime and handle daily cooking or baking without bending or cracking. With US and metric measurements engraved directly on the handles, it guarantees precise results every time, perfect for consistent recipes and calorie-conscious cooking. Complete with 6 essential cup sizes and an easy pour spout, this set becomes a smart, time-saving gift for anyone who loves to cook or bake. This sleek, gravity-powered grinder set makes seasoning effortless. Just flip it over to activate powerful grinding and adjustable coarseness with one hand. Designed with a built-in LED light and side-opening storage, it makes refilling, cleaning, and precise seasoning incredibly convenient. With a power-saving switch and efficient battery use, it offers safer operation and long-lasting performance without constant replacements. Modern and minimalist, the GAT grinder elevates any kitchen with style and functionality, making it a must-have tool for faster, easier cooking. This ergonomic garlic press features a slip-resistant, oversized handle that gives users a powerful, effortless squeeze, making garlic prep quicker and easier. Its heavy-duty zinc alloy chamber holds multiple cloves at once, crushing even tough elephant garlic with minimal effort. Made from BPA-free, rust-resistant materials, it's built for long-term use and is completely dishwasher-safe for fast cleanup. With a silicone peeler and cleaning brush included, this 3-piece set streamlines peeling, crushing, and mincing, saving valuable time in the kitchen. This deluxe fondue maker transforms any gathering into a fun, interactive experience with its heating base, 10-ounce melting bowl, detachable serving tray, and 4 skewers for easy dipping. Designed to melt chocolate evenly and then keep it warm, it's perfect for fruits, marshmallows, pretzels, and even pre-melted cheese for crowd-pleasing snacks. Its compact tabletop-safe design makes it effortless to set up for movie nights, game nights, date nights, or spontaneous fondue parties. With its charming presentation and versatility, this Kazuni fondue set doubles as a thoughtful gift and a delightful treat for yourself. This cold-press slow juicer uses upgraded 7-stage masticating technology to extract up to 90% juice yield, delivering richer nutrients and fresher flavor with minimal oxidation. With a multifunction button that adjusts to the hardness of different fruits and vegetables, it ensures maximum efficiency for everything from leafy greens to crunchy produce. Its powerful motor operates at under 60 decibel, offering smooth, fresh juice without disturbing the household, while the 3-section super filter creates an ultra-silky texture. Designed for convenience, it features one-touch disassembly, dishwasher-safe parts, and a reverse function to prevent clogs, making juicing easier and faster every day. This French press uses a 4-level stainless steel filtration system to deliver a smooth, full-bodied brew that keeps grounds out while preserving all the natural coffee oils for richer flavor. Its simple manual design requires no cords or pods. Just add grounds, pour hot water, press, and enjoy cafe-quality coffee anywhere, from home to the office to the campsite. Built with durable borosilicate glass, a reinforced frame, and a sturdy handle, it blends long-lasting performance with a sleek, modern look. Versatile enough for coffee or loose-leaf tea, and easy to clean with removable dishwasher-safe parts, it's a practical and stylish choice for everyday coffee lovers. This 8-piece nesting set includes 2 mixing bowls, a colander, a fine mesh sieve, and 4 measuring cups, giving users all the essential tools for prepping, straining, and baking in one compact bundle. Designed to stack neatly inside one another, the entire set saves valuable kitchen space while keeping everything organized and easy to access. The large bowl features a non-slip base for stable mixing, while the smaller bowl includes built-in measurement markings and helper handles on every piece for effortless control. Made from durable, BPA-free polypropylene and top-rack dishwasher safe, this set delivers long-lasting convenience and quick cleanup for everyday cooking. This powerful stand mixer features one-touch presets for kneading, whisking, and stirring, plus 11 adjustable speeds and 360-degree planetary mixing to ensure smooth, consistent results every time. Its built-in fermentation setting maintains the ideal temperature for dough to rise, eliminating the need for a separate bread proofer and making homemade bread, sourdough, or bagels easier than ever. With a 660-watt quiet motor, overheating protection, and strong suction cups, it delivers more power with less noise while keeping the machine stable during heavy mixing. The 6-quart stainless steel bowl, tilt head design, splash guard, and dishwasher-safe attachments make it a versatile, user-friendly tool and a perfect gift for any home baker. This multi-purpose bamboo cutting board set offers practical sizes, perfect for slicing meats, chopping vegetables, prepping fruit, and serving bread, making it a true all-in-one kitchen essential. Its dual-side design features a smooth chopping surface on one side and an elegant serving tray on the other, complete with a deep juice groove to keep countertops clean. Built-in handles make it easy to carry, transfer ingredients, or present food without slips or spills. Crafted from sustainably sourced, cross-laminated bamboo, these boards resist warping and cracking, delivering long-lasting durability with an eco-friendly touch. This compact vacuum sealer features an innovative pressure release function that automatically detaches sealed bags cleanly, preventing the spills and mess common with traditional sealers. It includes 30 upgraded BPA-free bags designed for strong airtight sealing, reusable storage, a detachable visible water tank, prevents vapor from damaging the machine by stopping operation when liquid reaches the max line, making maintenance safer and easier. With one-touch operation that seals dry foods in just 10 seconds, this device keeps vegetables, meats, seafood, and snacks fresher up to 6 times longer. This compact 6-quart air fryer uses air crisp technology to cook food with 70 to 80% less fat, making healthier meals fast without sacrificing flavor or texture. With its simple load set and cook design, users can crisp veggies, frozen foods, or even a whole chicken in minutes, while the auto shutoff and cool touch handle ensure safe, worry-free cooking. Despite its space-saving footprint, the large non-stick basket provides plenty of room for family-sized portions and delivers quicker, crispier results. Perfect for frying, roasting, baking, and more, this air fryer offers a fast, easy-to-clean solution for busy families wanting delicious meals in less time. This premium 15-piece knife set is forged from high-grade stainless steel, delivering exceptional sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance for effortless slicing, chopping, and mincing. Each knife is honed for optimal sharpness and can be quickly refreshed using the built-in sharpener, while the ergonomic handles provide smooth, comfortable control. The entire set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and keeping the block tidy and ready for storage after every use. Complete with chef, slicing, santoku bread, utility, paring, steak knives, shears, and a sturdy hardwood block, this all-in-one set equips any kitchen with professional-level performance.